I'll make you famous.
Denied.
God, that man looks really pissed.
So I'm just working stuff. There I did, right? Played in 10 tournaments a year. You're not going to do a YouTube, are you? Yes, you are.
What an absolute bastard. What the fuck, man?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Merc van. Jesus, I mean, that's not cheaper than a Mercedes. Can't see tradesmen using one of those. Going straight ahead, are you? Put your indicator on after you into the roundabout. My God, where the fuck are you going? What are you doing stopping on the roundabout? You do realise this is a roundabout, you're not...
I'm great, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm trying to concentrate, but too far.
Get off the roundabout!
Piss off.
Fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Move on.
Piss off, she said, at the end. I'm trying to concentrate. Fuck me.
She was on her phone, I think. She was talking before we even stopped.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then.
file.
Whoa! Fucking hell! Mate, what are you doing? What a fuckwit!
Oh, really? P-plater. Good one.
Lock file.
And look at that.
In 200 meters at the roundabout, take the second
What is
exit
that
on
guy
City
doing?
Drive.
Are you for real? Just knocked down a... Oh, the devil numbers on that number plate. Oh! You idiot. Go! Huh. Idiot. Oh, there's a red light! A red arrow! Bloody idiot. Can't even do that.
You're shit.
I'm gonna rip your balls off!
Okay,
What the hell are you doing, mate? I had my lights and sirens on, you blind fuck.
I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear me. Give me your license, you cockhead. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give you a defect notice today.
The car's brand new.
Nah, bro. I'm defecting your head, mate.
What?
I'm defecting your fucking head today. You wanna argue, you can argue in court. Put your seat back.
Okay, that would be a red light, dude.
Wait, what?
That white thing.
You stopped and then you went.
He stopped and then he went through a red light. Jesus! What the fuck?
Wow.
Even money, the Volvo driver doesn't even stop. Will this be one for Scotty? No indicator, no stop. Yes, it will be. Ah, the prediction, just incredible. Jesus. That was a long fucking... That was not a stop. That was a stop sign. What are you doing? Oh, you are a genius.
So you go a carbonara. Monday the 31st of January 2022.
Star 102.7.
And you'll hear a brand new tune from it right after this. It's the Vaccines on Triple J.
It was alright, like, I mean, my day of work was shortened by an hour, so. Fucking taxis, man. Excuse me? Fuck me. The fuck do you think you're doing? Fucking space cadet. Taxi drivers. That's a leg. Kidding. Solid white line, buddy. The fuck? Fucking taxi drivers.
Disgusting pig. Who's not license plate? PKH20R. PKH20R. Oh. Hey!
What the actual? That is so cute. That is hilarious.